everybody, this is Kylie from Byron Foreign Exchange. We're in Byron Street in Byron Bay. We've been here for over 11 years and we're also online at www.atlascurrency.com.au. When you go online you can register to become a client with us for international money transfers. You can also order foreign currency cash, global travel cards and international phone SIMs to be packaged and sent Australia-wide to your door or your nearest postal delivery point. This means that you don't have to organise your currency before you go. It will come straight to you, you put it in your bag and you're ready to hop on the plane. You can also ring 1300 261 090 if you have any other questions about any of our products or services. I'd just like to talk for a moment about the indicative rate. We get a lot of customers coming in and they're a bit confused about the rate that they see on television as opposed to the rate they see in booth. Now the indicative rate that you see online, on the television, on the radio, in the newspaper, that is exactly that, an indicative rate taken from a snapshot moment in time to tell you the strength of the dollar in comparison to any other currency. Currencies come in pairs, so the Aussie US is a pair, the Aussie Euro is a pair, the Aussie Yen is a pair, and so you can only compare one currency to another at any given time. The rate that you see on television is the indicative or the cross rate. It splits the buy and the sell market in a retail sense. In much the same way as the Reserve Bank sets the reserve rate, but you don't see that physical rate in any retail sense. So if the Reserve Bank sets a rate of 0.5, when you go to get a home loan, you're not going to get 0.5. It's going to be set off that indicative rate. When you get a credit card, it's not going to be set off that rate. You're going to see a retail rate as opposed to what the market is saying the rate is. FX works in much the same way. The foreign currency market is hundreds of times larger than the stock market, and it moves every second of the day. So in a retail sense, it's impossible to sit on a moving rate at all times. When you're trading large amounts of cash, you'll be quoted things like live rates. This is when we move into the live currency market to see where the market is at. For the purpose of retail, however, this means foreign currency cash at retail points, your banks, your foreign currency providers. The cross-currency rate is used every morning to set that day's trade. That's why you'll never see the physical number that you see on television in a retail sense. The only way you can truly compare rates in a retail sense is to go to retail providers or call retail providers. Any given day, people have different rates. So you need to be asking for a live, realistic quote. If you're asking for 1,000 US, you need to be able to say, I want to know what 1,000 US will cost me in total. This will be inclusive of the rate of the provider and also any fees that they will apply.